How to find Booking.com promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Booking.com promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you promo code for Booking.com. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Los Angeles. After you open it, you're gonna find amazing deals and offers. You can just scroll and check 20% off, $15 offer, and many more. Just scroll and check. If you're interested in any of the offer, all you have to do is click on this option of View Coupon. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. And head towards the website of Booking.com, and whenever you check out, apply this code and get the discount. If you want to redeem this code right away, click on this option, visit Booking.com. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Booking.com. Now you can select your tickets, and whenever you check out, apply this code and get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out these offers. Make sure you go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you tons of promo codes. Well, this is how you can easily find Booking.com promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.